Welcome back to the Code Shop channel. Every organization needs a smooth and reliable process for managing approvals. Without the right tools, these workflows can quickly become messy. The Auto Approvals module is designed to streamline and automate approval processes within an organization. It centralizes all approval requests, allowing employees to submit requests and managers to approve or reject them seamlessly. So let's dive into the database and see how to set up and manage approval types to streamline your workflows. Let's dive into the approvals module. This app is designed to help companies manage all types of approvals that employees may need, making processes faster and more organized. On the dashboard, you will see examples of existing approvals such as business trip, payment application, or employees can even request approval to seek quotations from vendors for potential purchases. Each of these approval types can be customized to fit your business needs. Now let me show you how to set up a new approval type. We will go to the configuration menu and click on approval types. From here, click New to begin creating your custom approval type. You will see a form where you can define all the important details, such as the name of the approval, the fields to be included, and who needs to approve the requests. Once you've filled all the necessary information, just click Save to complete it. Once saved, your new approval type will appear in the dashboard, ready for use. Now let me show you how to customize the existing approval. So again, we will go to the configuration menu and click on approval types. Let's dive into some of them and take a closer look at the configuration options. So let's start with an approval type field. This allows you to specify whether an RFQ is created once the request is approved. You can select the Create RFQs option from the drop-down menu, or leave it blank if you don't need one. If the automated sequence box is checked, the approval request will have an automatically generated sequence based on the given code that you can type below. Let it be strict. Next, let's configure the fields. These fields allow you to collect all the necessary information for the approval process. You can set each field to be known, optional, or required, depending on what your business needs. For our example, we will make the period field required to clearly specify when the trip is planned and how long it will last. The location field will also be required to indicate the destination of the trip. Fields like document, amount can be set as optional. Now let's move to the approver section, where we can define who needs to review and approve the requests. In this field, we can define how the employee's manager interacts with the approval process. If we leave it empty, the manager is not involved. Is approver, the manager is added to the list of approvers, but their approval is optional. And if we select is required approver, the manager's approval is mandatory before the request can proceed. Below we can add multiple approvers and specify whether their approval is required or not. Then we have the approver sequence option. It defines whether approvers must follow a specific order, such as a manager approving first, followed by finance, or if approvers can act in any order. We left blank. And the last one specifies the minimum number of approvals required for the request to be accepted. Once you filled in all the required information, just click Save to finalize it, and after saving, your new approval type is ready for use. Now let's create a sample request and see how it works in action. I will log out of my admin profile and log in as an employee. To create a new request, go to the Approvals module and click on the appropriate button. Now we need to fill in all the required fields. Let's say that Mark Demo has a business trip to Toronto from November 29th to December 1st. Now let's save this request and submit it to the approver, which is Mitchell Admin. At the top right, the status has changed to submitted. And as you can see, Mark Demo doesn't have the option to approve. So now let's switch to the Mitchell admin's profile and approve this request. So I logged in as admin, and now let's go to the approvals module. Here we can see a new request created by MarkDemo. Now if we click on the manager button and then approvals to review, we will find the same request listed there. So let's open it and approve it. Once approved, the status changes from submitted to approved, and the approval process is complete. And that's essentially how the approvals work. It's very simple, and it's a good, easy way for employees to be able to send out all the requests that they might need in the company. Thanks for watching. See you next time.